just abusing the enemies, completely abusing the enemies just while trying to capture. Just parked the truck, just parked the semi truck. Just went from Florida to Ohio in a day and a half, Monday through Wednesday. And then went to do a pickup Pennsylvania Wednesday, and then Friday already back at Florida. It's insane. Just parked the truck, the semi, went out to eat, grabbed some Jamaican food yesterday. And just here abusing the fuck out of these enemies. It's not right, man. I feel guilty about this. You know, like just some in some games, like you can overkill. You know, you can kind of overtrain a little bit. I guess it's kind of like life, though, in a way. But yeah, I mean, just trying to capture. But yeah, man, just park the truck. From Monday, I don't know what date Monday was. It might have been if today is Saturday, the June 13, 2026. So Monday must have been like June 4 or something. From Monday, from Florida to Ohio. I did a pickup in Jacksonville, Florida. And then I did a pickup in Jacksonville, Florida, Monday afternoon, and by Wednesday afternoon I was in Ohio. I mean, just grinding, just for 30 minutes, just playing this game real quick, just quick 30 minutes. Quick 30 minutes real quick, man. Just nostalgia, kind of like a nostalgia thing, you know, from when I was like younger. I went and found me an old PS2, man, the other day, a couple months ago. I went and found me an old PS2. We talking like 2002 days, 2003, 2002, 2003, man. Just abusing the fun. If you not doing 99,000, this just abuse at this point. Like I said, I'm trying to so Monday I think it was June 5th or something, June 6th. From Monday I did a pickup Jacksonville, Florida, and in a day and a half went from Florida to Ohio with the semi truck. And then did a pickup in Pennsylvania Wednesday afternoon, and by Friday, yesterday, was already back home. Savings. Look at these stats. Look at this. Max stats, man. Max stats.